What's going on, guys? It's Kay from Beyond the Box. Welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been gone for a long time, but I don't know if you guys have realized we're going through something called a pandemic right now. So I've been dealing with a lot of stuff in my life, along with my personal life too. And I've had to move stuff around in my life in general, not just my set, my entire life basically. So I might talk about that stuff later in the future and might spill the tea in the future if I have to. But with that being said, I'm excited to get back to YouTube, and today I got a really cool video I'm excited to talk about because I've been anticipating making this video for about the past month. I just haven't been able to find the exact items that I found that were fitting for this video that I was happy with. So today's topic is best tech under $40. I got 4 cool things I want to show you guys today that I found on Amazon because I think these are really cool, and I haven't tried any. I have tried 2 out of the 4, so I know 2 of the 4 are really good, and I'm excited to share the experience for the other 2 today with you guys. So with that being said, let's just get into it. Okay, first product we're gonna take a look at is what I like to call the world's best all-in-one 3-in-1 charger. I love, you guys know on this channel, I love things that are 3-in-1. I don't know exactly who makes this, but I'll just link it below in the description. It's like $35. It's below $40 on Amazon. And basically what you got with it is you can charge your AirPods, your watch, and your smartphone. I got all 3, and I'll grab my AirPods in a second. But with that being said, this is a 3-in-1 charger. It doesn't take up much space. And I've been using it since February. It's fantastic. Honestly, I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And yeah, I just love this product a lot. So it's a pretty basic unboxing, as you can see, but they do take care of this product, and it is a very good product. I'm excited to talk to you guys about it because this is actually the top, I think this is one of the top starred products on Amazon, especially when you go under charging mats and stuff like that. So they just magnetically click like this. And that's basically it. Comes with the AV power outlet and a USB Type-C cable. And that's pretty much it. They got some tips right here in the box. They come with a tip and instruction manual. We're not gonna look at that because we don't need any of that. But basically, so it comes with this little mini tip right here that you will find for the end of a lightning cable for an iPhone. And this is for an iPhone. This part's for an iPhone only. I'm not sure if you can change the head mounts, but we're just gonna stick with iPhone today. So with that being said, I already have one because, like I said, I've been using one since February. I love this product so much. So basically, it just slides in really quick like that, and let's just get it connected for you guys really quick. Cool. Okay. So there's that. Watch and.
A few moments later.
I don't know where my black AirPods went. I thought I just had them, but you can see that these things are charging. I don't know, they may not go on. The orange light may not go on because I'm pretty sure, okay, I don't know if that means they're charging or not. They are 100% though, so they're gonna stay 100% on this. You can leave these on all night. I do all night. I keep it shut like this though. Basically, I always turn this on when I go to bed, just like this. I love this piece of tech. It's probably one of my favorite things. I keep it by my bedside table. I bought another one to review that I've been really anticipating to make this video about because I'm probably gonna keep this by my gaming station, and I'm gonna keep the other one by my bedside table. So I'm really excited about finally talking to you guys about this because I love this product a lot. Anyway, links in the description below. Okay, I just wanted to bring up really quick the fact that my friend Hannah, who came over, she put her phone on this charger, right? The one I just reviewed, look at this. That's a phone case. That's a big ass phone case. That boy's thick. And you can sit it down. I mean, you gotta, it takes a little bit, but it's charging. Can you believe that? That's a thick case, and this case must be able to wirelessly charge through that. So, yeah, it just got even better. I didn't even know you could do that. Okay, the next piece of tech today is called the Virtual Keyboard Laser by I don't know who, but it's supposed to be for the Samsung Galaxy. I don't know, I hope it's supposed to be Bluetooth enabled because if it's Bluetooth enabled, this might work. Okay, so projection keyboard. Type on the go with the projection keyboard. Okay, let's look at the box. Compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. Okay, cool, so that's great. So it does work for my phone. Okay, so let's get right into the unboxing. The virtual keyboard user guide. We actually might need that because I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, it's kind of slick. Ooh. There's more stuff in there. Okay, USB, basic USB cable. Okay, let's see if we can go with the Bluetooth and add new devices. Let's just go back and check and see if it's connected. It's not connected. Laser keyboard connect. Come on, come on, come on. This thing's kind of annoying. Okay, so. Oh! Oh my gosh! What the? Okay. What was that? Oh, it just died? Does it die? Maybe it's just, maybe this one's power.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is still so cool. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh, it just turned off on me. Okay, so I don't know what's up with it keep turning off, but that's so cool. It actually does it. I've always saw these things in magazines and never thought they'd actually work. So that is really cool. So yeah, check that out if you want. I believe it's also under $40 right now. I'll link it below in the description. Okay, honestly, guys, this is the hands down the greatest iPhone charging cord in the world. Honestly, in my opinion, you guys can fight me in the comments if you want, but I'm not gonna lie. This is a great cord. This is a standard 10-foot night cable, but it's got this weighted ball on the end of it. I've had so many of these in the past. I don't have any of them right now, but I have one of them to show you guys because it is also under $40, and this is one of the best cords that I've ever used. Before I went wireless, this was the only cord I was using. So with that being said, this is a 10-foot charging cable. So let's get this out for you guys today right now. And basically unbox this right now. We'll just be a little forceful with it. Yeah, that works. Okay, so that worked. And there you go. Okay, so nice 10-foot long iPhone cable. And the great thing about this is you can decide what length you want to have this put at. So basically you can decide, you can always have a weighted cord that's not, you're never gonna really have to worry about tripping on or something like that. Link below in the description if you wanna check it out. Guys, I got one more product that I wanna show you guys today that I saved the best for last, that I think this is really gonna be freaking cool, because I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm a 90s baby, you might be an 80s kid, but us 80s and 90s kids, we played on something called the NES, one of the greatest video game systems of all time. And if you guys love Mario, Super Mario Bros, you guys are gonna know what this is. Actually, I'll explain why it's in a sandwich baggie in a second. But you probably know what this game is, Super Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt. I don't know if we're gonna be able to play Duck Hunt today because I don't have the zapper. But we're gonna try to play Super Mario Bros. On this little puppy, the RES, the Retro Entertainment System. But basically, this is supposed to take your old NES games and turn them into an HDMI compatible source, and it's gonna allow you to play your old game on an HD TV. So with that being said, yeah, this is really cool too. This is also under $40. I can't believe we found it like a Nintendo Entertainment System under $40. But yeah, let's get this open. And you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I don't want to go get my keys, so I'm just gonna try to open it with this pin right here. There we go. If you guys didn't know you could do that, that's a life hack. I'm just living in 2025. Yeah, so basically, there's not much else to tell you guys on the box. It's basically a standard NES, but it's just upgraded with an HDMI at the back. So there's the console itself. To the off or something. Okay. You always gotta blow in it. 90s kids know. Comes with 2 controllers. That's great. Okay. It comes with your own HDMI as well. That's great. Glad they added that. USB, and what is this? A power brick. Nice. They got everything. Okay, cool. So this is gonna be nice. They got the full experience for you. So we're just gonna open one of these right now because I don't think you're gonna need both. And they got these quick ties that we gotta undo. I would love to get, comment down below guys if you think I should get like somebody on the show to help me film like a third camera in a third different view, and I can talk to them and get their perspective and opinion. That's a cool idea that I have, but just let me know. I have a friend or two in mind that I'm just spitballing ideas with, so let me know if that's something you're interested in. But let's get back to this product. Okay, so same type of plug that it was on the original NES. And stick it in the player one spot. And power it up through USB, and there's your HDMI. Okay, stick this in the back, just like so. Okay, there's that. One more clip tie thingy. May I ask you shift your attention over here? Okay guys, so hopefully when I turn this on, it should boot up. Yo! Okay, that's sick. Okay. Okay, but this doesn't have sound. The speakers don't have sound to it, so you won't be able to hear the game. But let's see if we can get some games going. Yo, this is sick. Okay. Can I just start? Okay, so you gotta press the start button to start. Yo, this is sick. Oh boy. Oh boy. This brings me back. And zoom. Oh, I messed up. Oh wow, I did not see him. Boing. Wow, I'm gonna be playing this on the big screen later. Zoop. 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 I love this game. This is awesome. This is great. I suck at the game. Oh. Okay, so anyway, I don't really know how to play Duck Hunt on a regular NES controller, but it's basically the same NES controller. It's just customed out with this new brand logo and stuff. So this is an NES, a super portable NES. It's gonna play your standard NES games, and my mom sent me this from home and it works great. So I definitely recommend this. This is super cool, 5 out of 5 for me. All right guys, I want to get some bigger gameplay for you guys. The screen had no sound and it was a little smaller, so let's see what it's like on a big screen. This is a speed run at this point. Ah, I f***ed up. Oh, I f***ed up. Mimi, leave it. Oh. It works, it's good, it's good. But those were all the products, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys have any products that you want me to see on this channel. I really want your ideas because I want to know what you guys want to see on this channel. I'm happy to be back on YouTube. I'm excited to make more content again. Also, hit me up on my socials. My main Instagram is Cade Parker. Make sure you guys let me know that you're from Beyond the Box, and I'll hit you guys with a follow. Let me know which product you are picking up in the description, in the comments below. And with that being said, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you soon, and see you in the next one. Peace.